Student health insurance. Being an insurance agent who sells health insurance, I am an advocate of students having health insurance. However, I'm not an advocate of the typical student health insurance plan, including those that are sold through universities and colleges. And that's because these policies do not offer, at least typically, do not offer the same benefits as a health insurance policy that you might get through your employer, through your parent's employer, or that you can buy directly by working with a company like Blue Cross Blue Shield or Humana. The first reason is that there's a limitation on what they will pay in a calendar year. And most policies will have a limit, a lifetime limit, and no specific annual cap. And the lifetime limit will be $3 million, $5 million, or there may not be a lifetime cap. Whereas with a student health insurance policy, you will often find annual caps of $100,000 or maybe $250,000, which seems like a lot, and it is for most people. But if you are the unlucky one who has a major accident or develops a major illness, you'll wish that you paid the extra few dollars and purchased a standard health insurance policy that has much better benefits. The second big reason that these policies may not be right for you is the fact that you can't keep them forever. Again, if we go back to the situation where you've had a major illness or a major accident and you run out of eligibility for that student health insurance policy. You've aged out of it. Usually you can't keep the policy past age 30, or you can't keep the policy once you've graduated. At that point, you may still have some medical issues that a new policy may not pick up. But if you had purchased a permanent health insurance policy to begin with, you could have probably kept that policy until age 65. So getting a student health insurance policy, the typical student health insurance policy, is certainly better than having no coverage at all. But the reason why these policies are so cheap is twofold. One is that typically a student is in their 20s, and it's cheaper to get insurance for younger people. And the other is that the policies don't offer as much value. But you still have the age going for you. If you're 20-something, you can still go to Blue Cross Blue Shield or one of the other major carriers and find a very inexpensive policy. May not be quite as cheap as the student health insurance policy sold through your university, but it's likely to be very inexpensive. So I hope that you've gotten something out of this tip. If you'd like to get health insurance quotes from my website, if you look below, there should be a link underneath this video to my website. You can get free health insurance quotes. My name is Austin Balcom. Thank you very much for watching.